Hey guys, this is MasterPass99. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail for your videos. So, first of all, you want to go into Creator Studio. So, click your channel icon in the top right and press Creator Studio. And then go on to Video Manager and Videos. So, once you're on it, your video should pop up, like all your videos will pop up here. So, now you should get TubeBuddy, which I use for this. So link in the description, and just sign in to your. It would ask you to sign into your Google account, and just do that, and you have to install it on. But after you've done all that, so just sign in to your Google account, and after you've done all that, then you can see if you've got it by looking at the logo here, and it will pretty much pop up everywhere as well. So once you've got it, click the logo here next to the video that you want a thumbnail on, then press thumbnail generator, wait for it to load. Then you have three choices here. I usually use solid color, but do whatever you want and choose any. I'll just keep this grey, but you can choose the color if you want. I don't really care. But then you can add text. So if I just put hi, I don't know why. But you can choose the color, so maybe I'll just choose blue. I don't know. And you can just press add. Then you got this here, so you can rotate it, or just change the size and that. You can change, yep. That looks weird. And, or you can click on shapes. I have a circle there, and you just have a big circle. You got emojis, which I don't use, and this is what I do use mostly though, is images. So I'll just delete this so I can show you how to do it. Okay, so just click choose file, and then I'll choose channel art. So you just click on that and wait for it. There we go. Then you just click on it. Then you got this big thing here, and you can just change the size or the width or the length. Oops, the length, and or you can rotate it around. But yeah, just do what you want in that. But I'm just going to do it like that. So then you can just do whatever you want. I'll just put subscribe. Add that. We got it here in the middle. I'll just make it larger a bit and just rotate that. Then once you're happy with whatever thumbnail you've got, just press continue. Then we got this, so you got your own video at the top and other videos that you can compare it to see which is a good thumbnail, and just steal off that, I guess. Then once you're done, just press save and publish, then just press OK. Then you have to wait for it to publish. I'm just waiting. Okay, then we got, it should say thumbnail successfully published. Then just press reload and wait again. And wait again. Okay, there we go. So now you can see how the thumbnail looks much more better. It's a bit small, but when you have the actual video, it should be more larger. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, eat your pasta, and it's my birthday tomorrow.